Listen to me baby, कहाँ जा रही तू ये बता दे मुझे. You drive me crazy with your hot and cold, but you know that I'm cold, I'm cold. Gotta get a move along. आगे तो तुझको जो भी सोचे तू है रोज.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be extremely exciting and it's going to be extremely useful for you guys who are preparing for your entrance exams for your dream MBA colleges and all those aspirants who are looking forward to get into the B schools in 2025. So this video is going to be extremely helpful to you guys, so please watch the video till the end and please stay glued to the channel and please stay glued to your processes. And this is Atharva Rao, and as I speak today I am here in vacation and at the start it's okay, let me make some good content, some good videos which are going to be useful, because I'm just in love with the place I'm staying and just in love with the sea behind me, and very happy, very excited. So but today's video is going to be extremely useful and extremely important, so please watch it till the end. So let's get started. Today's video is all about the entrance exams and applying for different colleges. So this is going to be extremely important to you guys who are very serious about your MBA, serious about your life and serious about getting into the top B schools in India. So please do not ignore this. So guys, this is one of the mistakes I myself made and I regret it so much. You have no idea. So please do not repeat this mistake and please be aware and please have that sense of time and that that determination that you will get things done. First of all, guys, register for every exam. You heard it right. Register for every top exam which is being conducted in India, which gives you that entrance exam, which gives you that ticket to get into your dream B school. Although we speak a lot about CAT, which is for the IIMs, we speak a lot about CAT. It's important, I understand, but you need to know there are other exams. So one goes without saying, register for CAT. That's like the BAP of all the MBA exams in India. That's the father, that's for the Indian Institute of Management. So that's the big boss, which is CAT, the big elephant in the house. Then the other exams which you need to register, XAT. So XAT is conducted usually around January after CAT, and you get a good 1 month December time to prepare specifically for XAT after CAT. So many students who screw CAT prepare that 1 month, put that jigger, put that efforts and crack XAT, get a better score. So register for XAT. Then there's something called SNAP, which is for Symbiosis, which has 3 attempts. So this is such a beautiful thing. Your hit rate, it's like even if 1 attempt goes wrong, you have 3 attempts, buddy. 3 attempts where you can do good, and the best score is going to get into Symbiosis Pune, which is there in the league, which is there in one of the top B schools of India. So give your snap. Then you have something called NMAT, which is for your Narsi Monji in Mumbai. Which again, it's a dream for many students to get into Mumbai, to go to Sapnon Ka Shahar Mumbai, or Bombay as you call it. So another good college you can consider. And then you have some exams like GMAT. Many top B schools in India take GMAT, although people have this misconception that GMAT is just for going abroad and doing an MBA. Don't get it wrong, many top B schools take GMAT, and the one of the foremost top B school in India, ISB, Indian School of Business, which is there in Hyderabad and Mohali, takes GMAT. So consider that also as an option, although remember that the cost involved is high, so it's not like you can go without preparing. Many people go without preparing just to give it a shot to CAT, but don't do that with GMAT because the cost involved is high. It's in US dollars, so please prepare if you're going to take it, my suggestion. And then there are exams like MAHCET, which is Maharashtra CET, which is specific to Maharashtra, but you can give it, everyone can give it. And again, there are many top B schools where you can get, and the foremost being Jamnalal Bajaj JBIMS in Mumbai again. So these are some of the exams I can think of, guys. Please register for this, because I did this mistake. I just registered for CAT and XAT, and although I got interviews from many of the IIMs, many of the private institutions which come under CAT, and even for XAT I got from Xavier's, but that's not the point. The point being, don't miss it out. And next, the most important thing, guys, please do not miss application deadlines for B schools. Please, it's my request because I did that. See, many of you are gonna think that let me wait for CAT results and based on that apply for institutes. But I would request you guys to make a list of all your aspirational or top B schools where you want to get into. I know each B school takes application money, and that is a topic for another day's discussion because a lot of cost is involved. But you don't want yourself to get the top score like 98, 99 and then missing an institute which would take you at that score because you forgot applying for that or the deadline is over. The same mistake happened with me, my friend, because two institutes very specifically I want you to note down, which is SP Jain Institute of Management and Research, SPJIMR in Mumbai, and MDI Management Development Institute, Gurgaon, MDI Gurgaon. These two institutes did not wait for CAT results. Apparently, I was also under the mindset that let my CAT results come and once I get the marks, let me apply, because I thought let me have something before I apply, because if I didn't get the cutoff of those B schools, why would I even apply? That was my logic, but I was wrong. I don't want you to be wrong. Due to this, even though I had the percentile or I was eligible for these two B schools, I missed these two top B schools and I forget joining this B school. I didn't even get to interview with them because I didn't fill their application and it was closed on the day when CAT result came. So don't do that mistake. Although it's safe to bet and wait for your percentages, and I think most colleges wait for CAT results, but these two colleges usually do not. So make it a point to apply to these two B schools, so because these are very good B schools and you wouldn't want to miss a chance. You don't want to miss any chance. So having said that, keep this in mind, and one more, tell your parents that you are preparing for this MBA journey, you will be doing good in CAT and you will be giving interviews and applications to colleges. So remember that every college charges money. They charge around 1k, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3. And almost IIM Mumbai, I remember, even though most of the IIMs don't charge separately and it's all included in CAT, IIM Mumbai charge 2, they have 3 programs, they charge 2k. So it's like for all the 3 programs, if you're applying 6k gone. So it's going to be expensive, my friend. But try save up if you're earning, or tell your parents this is going to be needed, because whatever this 50-60,000 you'll have to allocate and spend on your college applications, it's not going in vain. It's giving you an experience, it's giving you that confidence boost, it's giving you that interview experience which will be even useful for your future life in your B school when you go for summers and your finals, and it's giving you that opportunity. It's like an investment on yourself. So do not think about the cost and have that mindset that you're going to recover that cost. Strive hard, get the best placement and recover that cost and make it all worth it. Then it's all going to be useful and it'll all sum up and make sure that everything was worth it, guys. So this is my 2 cents on this topic. It's about being timely aware, being not procrastinating, being extremely determined, and it's about applying to all the colleges, applying to all the exams right in time, and making sure your probability of hitting is as large as the ocean behind me, the sea behind me. See how vast it is. That is how I want you guys to keep your options and your opportunities, because you can't just stay fixated that I'm going to go to IIM Ahmedabad, just give CAT and think if I don't go there I'm doomed. No, even the person who is going to IIM Ahmedabad today has kept 10 to 20 options. He has converted all the IIMs, he has converted all the Xaviers, all the SP Jains of the world, all the MDIs of the world, and then he is going to IIM Ahmedabad. So at any percentile, at any stage, I want you guys to keep the options as vast as the sea behind me and make sure you get where you dream of getting. That's all the motive of this video was. So hope you like this video and hope this is helpful. See you in the next video with more such content and more such engaging stuff. Thanks for all the love and stay glued to the channel. Signing off.
छोटे पैक में बड़ा दिल, 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 छोटे पैक में बड़ा दिल।